I'd like to sleep a bit longer, but I think my tent's gonna blow down.
Well, I'm suddenly outside. Right, going up with the boys to see Fanny Big. It's the worst possible place for a man to visit, but we're willing to give it a go. Plenty of frog spawn beer. Look at that, eggs for days. We've had a quiet walk up. Look at this, we're about to hit all the cattle. It's dried out frog spawn. It's been really small, shriveled up. Ah, poor froggies, man. Here's the Naths, bringing up the rear. Go on, son. Steepest bit of the walk now, up the zigzags. We're going up there, up the next mountain. Drufus in his Bonfoot, carrying his Ion Lee plastic bag tent. Little can tucked away there, look. There's another one on the other side, depends which way the wind is blowing. Here we are.
I'm not putting my tent up just yet, I'm going to wait for a bit.
Can you breath back, is that?
Oh yeah.
Tent's up, not really happy with it, something's not right. I'll play with it now. This is our view, we've got 3 mountains, absolutely immense. The most annoying word in camping, down booties.
Down booties, toasty. Yeah.
Vestibule.
Vestibule. I
You
hate
hate
these no self-help people. You know, the ones that always give like some sort of insight into better life. You know. All right. Oh, remember down there, adversity don't come in times of comfort.
A what?
Hey, that was a good speech, Charles.
Comes in
Proud of
time.
myself. Pot noodle starter. Aye. Double damson crumble.
Is it good, yeah? Yep. It's good. Very good. Right, next one. Giant lollipop. 8%. Raspberry vanilla sour. Good times. Don't come in the times of
Good advice.
I can't even remember what I said though. What was it?
Growth doesn't come in the times of comfort, it's in the times of adversity.
Yeah, that's a nice one, that is.
You gotta go on the piss.
I like that one.
Oh, that's nice.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I'm filming now as well though.
Yeah, go on then.
Oh, that's really good, yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
I've been throwing this all the way down. There's Elva slope the other side there. I've been throwing it over there. She finds it every single time. Clever girl.
So already I missed it up.
The din-dins. Naan bread, balti, spam, onions, keto rice. Yo, Dre. Should have known by now.
Dre.
What's that? Drufus taking a photo of his cheesy crackers. Oh, it is photo worthy, yeah, come on.
Quite not, isn't it?
Curry's done. Couple of naans. Ideal. Right, he's got the sticky Korean barbecue. Comes all that there.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Package deal.
And a bit of chicken. Nathan's guzzled the steak. The meatballs are still going. This is starting to look good.
That's
Oh,
the
it
way
is.
it's normally meant to look like.
Minus the rice though, might not fit in the frying pan.
Pan is absolutely terrible. Because of it.
I'm in the sleeping bag. Poppy's out there, think of that. We got Nathan here, fully downed. Drufus fully downed.
Really?
And there's all this mess,
Who then?
as usual. It'll be clean by morning.
Yep, they'll be all packed up in a bag.
There you go. Really cold outside. And she's not shivering because her bald belly is warm. That's all she needs to do. Good girl, Poppy. Bit of beef jerky. Rufus gone into a trance up here. He's stood here for about 10 minutes. Very still.
Trying to entertain.
Entertaining the ladies.
What's up? My motto is about wild camping. Wild camping is the best for your health and everything like that. And man and women have got to do it. It's the best thing ever.
What about the pushing the body and mind to new exerts on a wild camp will broaden the mind.
All the minds are
I
right.
think.
Bequeath unto thee the green valleys and distant horizons of the mountains, and thee shall see the light.
You read that from a Bible.
Right? He just spoke to me in tongues. Thou shall see a greener light whilst embracing nature under the canvas sheets. There you go.
And the milk one. Right, what we got there then? We got
One of them.
Fruits of the Forest, triple stacked breakfast waffle, 10.3%. This feast of flavours blends juicy blackberries, rhubarb, strawberries, apples and raspberries and layers of maple syrup. Vanilla and sweet breakfast waffles delivering monster levels of indulgence.
By the way, this needs a big introduction because it costs a tenner.
10 squid a can. Oh,
So worth £10.
oh yeah,
says it all.
100%. I'm glad I bought 5 of them now. This is a solid 9 out of 10 for me.
You tried it?
Oh, I drink this all the time.
Oh, you're spilling it.
Oh. No.
As soon as I see me going like that, you spilled it.
So you're a good cameraman, he's carrying on.
Dogs win no marshmallow stout.
Going on for the marshmallow stout.
Oh, that's slipping nice.
You can taste the coffee, can you?
It's nice, huh?
It is stunning.
Very nice.
Out of 10.
Ooh. For a stout, this like right up there. 9.5.
9.5. Well, yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I'll redeem myself now, Nathan. The world champ, man. Can't do it, can he?
That.
Oh, good puff of
That's a
smoke
good
from
one.
that.
He's redeemed. Oh, Nate, there's another pint in here. Okay.
I'd like to sleep a bit longer, but I think my tent's gonna blow down. Might have to get this tent down before it takes itself down. He's back. What's it like out there, Dill? Some tent repairs. Oh man. We might have to peel in a minute, I think. His tracker pole's popped out of the socket, like. Don't want it to stab its way through the dyneema. Oh, I got down with more sleep. I think we're okay. Is that it? Oh, that's nice now. That's it. There's one person that doesn't give two hoots about this. Alright, I'm not getting up before I do a coffee. Just have to put that peg back in. And all the rest I like. It's a little bit gusty, mind. This is the thing to worry about. This, the pole stays in there. That's all I'm concerned about, really. She's refusing to get up. She can see it's horrible weather out there. She's like, nah. Well, I'm suddenly outside. Tent disappeared on me.
Get it back down,
Just take it down now. Right, we're all packed down. We're going to leave Nathan here. This is taking too long. Catch you soon. And if we survive the walk, we'll see you next.